There we go. Hi there. I've left Chiang Mai and now I'm in Sawankhalok. Sawankhalok region near Sukhothai. And I'm gonna go around and see a couple things. I'm mostly hanging out with a friend and my eyes are still messed up, so who knows. But wow, we're gonna go look at some handmade gold jewelry at this beautiful building here. Hold on, I'm buckled in here. These sandals. Sawadee Hello.
ได้ไหมคะ
เป็นวิธีการทำช่าง
อะไรอย่างเงี้ยค่ะได้
ค่ะ
อ๋อ
ต้องเดินอ้อมไปอะค่ะ
อ๋อ
จะมีทางขึ้นด้านข้าง
ค่ะโอเคงั้นเดี๋ยวขอถ่ายตรงนี้ก่อนได้ไหมคะ
อ๋อได้
You can look
Okay, cool. Yeah. Wow.
Can take a video please Okay
Okay, great. Thank you. Very pretty. Wow, look at that one. You see this one?
I don't know much about this
Me neither, but that one right there is very cool. So is this. Hi there, how are you? Wow. Awesome. How much you sell something like this for? Like this one, this first one.
This one?
Yeah, how much would you sell that for? Like what's the price of this? This is 64. Two, 5, 9, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 259,000 baht, right? Like this. Like that?
ค่ะเด็ดเลยคือ
259,000?
58550
จ้ะ
ใช่ค่ะ
Yes.
แต่มีสิบร้อย
59,800
So it's like $8,000. 209,000. So 6,300 bucks. Okay. Well, that would wipe out my whole entire budget. Wow. It's very pretty. Thank you very much. Wow. Okay. That's gold for you, huh? Got some bangles, earrings. Beautiful bracelet. Oh, wow. Stunning. Big pendants. Maybe a belt. A belt made of gold. Fancy. Okay. I'm making it here, yeah? This is the craftsman. Wow. Thank you. Okay.
We don't need to do this Okay we can
Okay,
go
no
to-
shoes. All right. Let's go ahead this way.
Beautiful here
Oh yeah. Very pretty. This building's awesome. I like it. The woodworking here is just really good. My uncle is a carpenter. My uncle, he's a carpenter. Like your father. My father's sister, her husband. My father's sister's husband is a carpenter. He's a very nice man. Hello. Wow.
We can go
Very cool. Yeah. Silver gold dust. It's a very long, arduous, difficult process. Hey, I have these tweezers. Wow. Very cool.
Maybe smaller.
Very small. It's like she's making tiny flowers out of little gold drops, right? Wow. Wow, yeah. Hello. Birds of paradise? Wow. Incredible. You're very good. Lots of skill. Wow. That's really cool. Let's go this way. Careful this way. Hello.
It's
Rings.
yeah.
Hello. Silver? Silver rings. Well, they can probably plate the silver in gold. The silver, and then they plate it in gold, so cheaper price.
Yeah.
Or you could just have silver. Yeah. Wow. Very cool. Stunning. It's like a woven chain.
Look at his head here.
Foot bellow for this. Using his foot to pump gas manually. Wow. The ring. Yes. Wow.
By one, right?
One by one. Now she's going to inlay these designs or overlay these designs and probably fill them in. Very intricate craftsmanship here. Intricate work. Wow. Very cool. Thank you. This is an awesome place. I like it.
Not many people might just come here. I think.
Yeah, I don't think so. No, it's not. Maybe a tourist spot. It's definitely a more local thing. You know what I mean? This is where you come to buy your gifts for your anniversary and your wedding and your big parties. And I mean, I don't know how many people in this village necessarily have money for this kind of thing, but people with money from Bangkok can definitely travel and see this kind of awesome stuff and get this local old school craftsmanship. This kind of stuff doesn't happen in America anymore. It's all mass scale, made in China, buy in a box, put it together at your house kind of stuff, you know? This is the kind of furniture you would pass down to your kids and your grandkids and so on and so forth. That just doesn't exist anymore in the United States. Not really. Not that people can afford. It's all gone now, but you guys still have it in Thailand because you still have craftsmen here. You know, the crafts and the trades have fallen way out of favor in the West for more I would say hands-free work, like working on your laptop or making YouTube videos and things like that. And that's kind of why America looks so ugly, actually. It looks like crap. Seriously, everywhere I go in the United States, all of our cities are cookie cutter and samey and boring, and they look like crap.